Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd take a moment and say hi to you. I'm not glamorized at all. I don't have my glamour makeup on. I don't have my glamour hair. I'm just me today, okay? I've been taking it really easy today. Some of you may not know. If you haven't been to my channel lately, you probably don't know that I broke my wrist about 2 weeks ago at Virginia Beach. This freak wave came and slammed me down basically really hard. It swept me right off my feet and I landed on my left hand. That's how it happened. But I'm doing okay. I'm recovering. I have this cast on for at least 6 weeks, I'm assuming. I don't know exactly just yet. I'll know more in about 3 weeks when I go back for a follow-up. But oh my gosh, every time I look at the camera, I am so embarrassed because I haven't been able to do my hair the way I want to do it, the way I normally do it. Although I did go to the hairdresser today, and it doesn't look like it did when I left the salon because it's been raining and I've been napping. And but anyway, guys, if any of you live in the DC area, I might as well plug this place in because this place is fantastic. It's called Adil's Hair Salon. I'll leave the address down below and the phone number. I was so impressed. It's my first time there, and I was very impressed with how they did my hair. The lady who did my color was fantastic. Her name's Linda. The guy who cut my hair, his name's Adil. He owns the salon, and I was super impressed with him. But anyway, guys, I got a very nice haircut, and I got the gray taken out because I have a little bit of gray at my age. Not a lot, but I have some, and I haven't been staying on top of it. But now that I found this new hair salon, I'm definitely going to stay on top of it. So anyway, guys, like I said, I have a fitness convention coming up. It's 3 full days from 7 in the morning till 7 p.m. at night. So it's going to be very exhausting. But I am looking forward to it because I haven't been to one of these in at least a couple of years. But it's a lot of fun for me, and I get very motivated to get back into fitness whenever I go to one of these conventions. I usually meet friends from the past, from my fitness years back when I was heavily into it. I plan to film at the convention. I'm going to take you with me and show you a little bit of it. I don't know if I'll be able to take you into the workshops. I'm going to try, but I'll definitely film from the trade show and from the lobby of the hotel. And again, I'm not going to be all glamorized because I'm going to be in my fitness gear and probably sweating. It's a very sweaty environment, as you can imagine. So anyway, guys, I'm going to turn in early so I can get up early. So I'll see you in a little bit. Stick around. Hey, everybody. Well, here I am. I'm at the convention. I'm in the hotel lobby waiting for my first workshop. And as you can see, it's your standard Hyatt Regency lobby with a beautiful atrium. And the lectures and workshops are upstairs, and so is the trade show. So I'll be going up there in just a few minutes. And I'm just trying to take it easy, catching my breath. It was a real ordeal getting ready this morning because everything's more difficult with a cast. It really is. Whether it's brushing my hair, brushing my teeth, taking a shower, whatever it is, it's 10 times more difficult. But I managed to get through that. But it does wear me out, I gotta say. So anyway, guys, I'll be going up there in just a few minutes, and if I can film any of it, I will. So I'll see you in a little bit.
Have a healthy relationship with food. Know where your food comes from. Go to the...
Because I think as fitness pros, we are so, well, every industry are so...
Hey everybody, I'm out here taking a break outside the hotel lobby. It's really beautiful out here. The air conditioning is actually kind of cold in there, so I thought I would step out here and warm up a little bit. And I'm just really enjoying this beautiful fitness convention. I love it. I think it's so much fun. I had 2 lectures so far, and they were very interesting. One of them was on nutrition, and the other one was on how to build a healthy fitness community. And now I'm just sitting out here taking a little break. I actually did meet up with a couple of friends from the past, and it was really nice seeing them. I hadn't seen them in about I would say 3 years. So that was really fun catching up, and it's just it's such a motivating place to go to, for me anyway, just because, like I've said, you know, fitness has been part of my life, pretty much a big chunk of my life. I would say maybe most of my life. I've been in fitness since the 80s, so this is something that I'm not willing to give up anytime soon. So my next workshop is going to be yoga. I don't know if I'll be able to do very much of it, because with yoga you need to be able to get on your hands for down dog and different poses, and I know I can't do that with my broken wrist, so I'm probably going to sit out the majority of it. I don't know, I'll have to wait and see. I think I can get into different poses, like standing poses like warrior and that kind of thing. But we'll see. I'm not sure what the workshop's going to be about. It's a kind of a fusion between yoga and core exercises, core training. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I'll see you soon.
For a variety of reasons, right? Think functionally. Your activities of daily living really do require that the core muscles be strong. And from here, we bound a humble warrior. So belly toward the thigh, arms out like the wings of an airplane, nose point straight down. Feeling strong, you've got that groove lock.
Well, I'm done with my third workshop, and I'm sitting out here on one of the terraces. They have a lot of terraces here at the Hyatt Regency at Reston Town Center, and if you don't know where that is, it's in Virginia, and I can see some tall buildings all around me. It's not exactly a pretty place, but this area is actually very, very nice. There are shops and restaurants down below, and I'm just sitting here taking it easy. And I gotta say, I'm starting to feel it in my arm, unfortunately. I think I'm just tired. I tried to do a lot of the yoga poses. Obviously, I couldn't do down dog or plank or anything like that, but I did the standing warrior poses and mountain pose and all of those standing poses. And I did okay, but I'm starting to feel it physically. But anyway, guys, I thought I would just check in with you again, and I'm still here at the convention. I have 2 more workshops to do. I believe one of them is a group cycle workshop, and the other one might be a lecture. I'm not sure, I've got to look at my schedule, but I could do with a nap right now. I'm so tired. So anyway, I'm going to go back in, and I may or may not check in with you, I don't know, but I'll do my best to check back in with you before I wrap it up for today. But anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed the video so far. Hopefully you've enjoyed the footage of the fitness convention. In case you're wondering what it's about, that's what it's about. And one of the main reasons why I come to this convention is to collect continuing education credits, because that's what I need to get recertified every 2 years. I have multiple certifications in different exercise formats. I have Zumba, I have group exercise, just regular group exercise. I have cycle. Let's see, what else do I have? I have core training. I have all kinds of other things. I can't even remember right now. It's been a while. But so that's one of the reasons why I come here, to collect the CECs. And that's the only way that I can get recertified. And so I do this pretty much every year, but I don't have to recertify every year. I usually recertify every 2 years. One of the things that I've thought about doing with you guys is some exercises for stretching out the muscles of the hands, the upper back muscles, lower back muscles, because I know they get strained a lot when we sit at a craft table for too long. And it happens to everybody pretty much who does any kind of crafting, whether it's art, whether it's jewelry making, whatever it is. It's important to get up and walk around and stretch a little bit. So that's one of the things I'd like to do on this channel. If you think that's a great idea, leave some comments down below. I'd love to know if that's something that you'd be interested in. So anyway, I'm going to go back in and finish up for today. I have 2 more workshops, like I said before, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, so she knows the world needs it, and she loves that kind of service work. The challenge that I have, the challenge that you have, and you start to pull it together, increase resistance.
Hey everybody, I'm back here again. It's day 2 and I'm back for another full day of workshops and workouts, and it's going to be a super long day because in addition to the workshops today, I also have a CPR training class tonight, so I'm not going to get home till probably around 9 o'clock. But I'm doing okay. My energy level's fine. My pain level is okay. I'm doing fine. I'm hanging in there. It's been very, very busy, but I'm really enjoying it. And I did meet some old friends from the past, so that was a lot of fun. So today I have a couple of lectures. I have a cycling workshop as well. I have a chair workout as well, which I'm really excited about because I've never done that before. It's something that I've been very interested in because it's something that I can definitely do as I get older. And it's something that I would really enjoy because I know I'd be helping others who have limitations. So, but anyway, I'll see what that's about, and I may or may not get into that. I'm not sure. I've been told that it's not as easy as people think, that it can be quite challenging. So I'll have to see what it's about and see if it's something for me. But anyway, I'm going to be here today and I'm coming back tomorrow for a cycling certification class that I'm going to be taking. The good news is that I only have to do this once every 2 years. That's how long my certifications last. And the only way that I can get it done is by coming to these conventions and getting continuing education credits. So that's the main reason why I'm here today. And I have to be honest, guys, if I'd known that I was going to break my wrist, I may not have signed up for this convention, but I signed up for the convention 3 months ago. So at that time, obviously, I had no idea what was going to happen. But I'm glad I signed up, and I'm getting through it, and I'm doing just fine. So I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to finish it today, and I'll come back tomorrow, and then I'll be done for another 2 years. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into my fitness side, my fitness world. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Just to go quick review. We talked about the science. I don't wanna